Today we will be attempting to float down Swift Creek in this blue plastic pool. This is our launching area. We call this spot Black Rock Beach. It's about 6 inches deep, and we're going to try and float down to a bend in the creek. Okay. We're sending Eva down first because she's lighter, and we just want to make sure that it'll work good. All right, well, she's going.
I definitely want to go down.
I want to get. Try and stay like in the middle.
Oh God. Oh God. Oh God.
Here I go. Now I'm just spinning. I don't know what. Try and hunker down more again. Now I'm on the bottom. I'm not laying down.
My turn now.
This is not smart. Look at this. Oh God! Crap. Well, unfortunately, I was too heavy to be in the pool, but Eva floated around in it, and I floated around for a little bit. It's actually pretty scary because you just spin and cannot control where you're going at all, and you can get going pretty fast.